Hi, good evening everyone. I am Shasmini Bolas. And this is our daily devotion and our topic for today. Ano ang pinaka nakakatakot na nilalang sa Bible? Genesis 3:24 NIV. After he drove the man out, he placed on the east side of the Garden of Eden cherubim and a flaming sword flashing back and forth toward guard the way the tree of life. So, yung Bible, dinidescribe niya yung cherubim, winged creatures that guard God's presence. So, they are often depicted as having multiple wings and faces, and they are actually associated with God's holiness, judgment, and glory. So, sa Genesis 3:24, yung cherubim, they are placed at the entrance of the Garden of Eden to prevent Adam and Eve from returning to the tree of life. So, yung passage na yun, tinuturuan tayo na si God is holy and we must approach Him with reverence and respect. Also, cherubim represent God's judgment because they are placed at the entrance of the Garden of Eden to prevent Adam and Eve from returning. So, sinushow nun na God is not only holy, but also just, and He will punish sin. So the flaming sword, flashing back and forth is a symbol of God's um, wrath and judgment. So the cherubim also represent God's glory. So their presence at the entrance of the Garden of Eden shows that God is really powerful and um, majestic. So the cherubim are described as being beautiful and awe-inspiring, which reflect God's glory and majesty. So, yung story ng cherubim na yun, which is guarding the Garden of Eden, teaches us a valuable lesson about God's holiness and our need to approach Him with reverence and respect. So, dapat daw, we should always strive to live holy lives and to honor God in all that we do. We should also remember that God is just and He will punish sin. However, we should also be comforted by knowing that God is also merciful and forgiving. Oh, ganun ka-powerful ang Lord. And you should know that as a child of God. And that is our topic. Ano ang pinakakatakot na nilalang sa Bible? Cherubim. Have a good day and bye for now.